Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily transfer data between databases in Notion. If you are organizing information in Notion, there may come a time when you need to move several entries from one database to another. The good news is that this is a very simple process once you know where to click, and it can save you a lot of time compared to recreating entries manually. To begin, open your source database in Table View. This is important because Table View makes it much easier to see multiple rows at once and select the exact items you want to transfer. If your database is currently in a different layout, just switch over to the table so everything is clearly displayed in rows. Next, look at the far left side of each row. You'll see checkboxes there that allow you to select entries individually. Go ahead and check the boxes for the rows you want to move. You can select just one row or choose several at the same time if you are transferring a batch of data. Take a quick moment here to confirm that you've selected the correct entries before moving on. Once your rows are selected, an action bar will appear near the top of the screen. In that bar, click the three dots icon. This opens a menu with more actions you can take for the selected items. If you don't see the bar right away, make sure at least one row is checked. From the options list, select Move To. This tells Notion that you want to send the selected entries to another database instead of editing or deleting them. It's a useful feature when you are cleaning up a workspace, reorganizing projects, or splitting information into more relevant databases. After that, type the name of your target database into the search field. As you type, Notion will show matching databases. When you see the correct one, click to select it. Notion will then move those selected rows into that destination database for you. And that's it. The transfer is complete. This method is one of the easiest ways to keep your Notion workspace organized without wasting time on copy and paste work. Just remember to start in Table View. Select the rows you need, open the Options menu. Choose Move To, and then pick your target database. Thanks for watching.